Hi, my name is Wendy Hathaway, and I am an Inside Sales Account Manager with Emerson. I will be showing you how to wire your Rosemount Magnetic Flow Meter using combo cables. Magnetic flow meters generate a small induced voltage signal that must be measured to provide a flow rate. When using a remote transmitter with a sensor, using the correct cable and making the correct connections are critical to the performance of the flow meter. In this video, we'll review the correct remote cable and connections. Cable connections are needed between the transmitter and sensor to provide power to the coils and to retrieve the induced voltage signal from the electrodes. A proprietary combination cable can be purchased from Emerson. It contains isolated wire bundles for the coil drive and electrode signal. In the transmitter junction box, all of the conductors and shield and drain wires are connected to the corresponding terminals. Here are the connections shown in a wall-mounted housing. With the Emerson cable color scheme, the coil drive circuit will be red on 1, blue on 2, and the drain on 3. For the electrode drive circuit, twist the shields on the yellow and white wire together and land on 17, yellow on 18, white on 19, and the drain on the housing ground screw. In the sensor junction box, the colors and numbers of the cable should match what is connected in the transmitter. Only the conductors are connected to the corresponding terminals. The drain wires should be snipped with no connection on terminal 3 or the housing ground screw. As you are preparing the cable for installation, remove only enough insulation so that the exposed conductor fits completely under the terminal connection. Best practice is to limit the unshielded length, D, of each conductor to less than 1 inch. Excessive removal of insulation may result in an unwanted electrical short to the transmitter housing or other terminal connections. Excessive unshielded length or failure to connect cable shields properly may also expose the unit to electrical noise, resulting in an unstable meter reading. Conduit entry ports to the junction box can be ordered with 1/2-inch 14 MPT or M20 female threaded connections. Conduit connections should be made in accordance with national, local, and plant electrical codes. Unused conduit entries should be sealed with the appropriate certified plugs. The plastic shipping plugs do not provide ingress protection. This cable cannot be used for installations with an intrinsically safe circuit. Bundled cables from other equipment in a single conduit are likely to create interference and noise in the system and should be avoided. Neither the combo cable nor the output cables should be run together with the same cable tray with the power cables. Be sure to select an appropriate conduit size to feed cables to the flow meter. This completes the overview of how to wire your Rosemount Magnetic Flow Meter using combo cables.